Yeah, what's up, folks? Uncle B Sports Cards coming at you real quick. Went to a card shop slash comic. They had a little bit of everything in there today. Picked up the last 8 packs of Heritage High Number that was in the box. $4.99 a pack. Bought a couple little supplies and stuff like that. Did pick up a few cards. We'll run through those real quick. Show you what I picked up. These were all $1, other than the DJ Chark. This is the Fanatics Phoenix set. I did not have this yet, so I went and picked it up for $3. The rest of the stuff was $1 a piece. I haven't had time to take them out of the package or anything yet. Put them in some sleeves. We got a Brett Favre Topps Finest insert from 2006. The Peyton Manning Donruss Elite from 2000. Andre Johnson branded from Hog Heaven 2004. That's numbered out of 1250. This was actually in the dollar box. Darren Waller. I know it's a Sage hit, but for $1, why not? Mike Piazza, Moments and Milestones. Actually, number 23 out of 29. I saw that, so I had to get it for $1. Same with the Clemens, 13 of 29. So for $1, picked this Ichiro up Diamond Upper Deck Diamond Edition or Diamond Collection Pro 6 Blue. Not really sure. Draymond Green, Golden State Warriors, Crusade 14-15. DeMar DeRozan. This is a 13-14 Prism. Barry Sanders, Classics 2004. It's numbered out of 1,000. I don't really know much about this one, but 09-10 Upper Deck now appearing. Kevin Durant. I don't know if this is his rookie year or not, but there's the front of it. No, 2007 was his rookie year, but for $1. Nice Terrell Davis Bowman Reserve refractor. Leather quads from Hog Heaven 2004. Peyton Manning, Edgerrin James, Marvin Harrison, Reggie Wayne at a 1250. Thought that was pretty cool. Nice LaDainian Tomlinson from 2004 Absolute. And that is out of 1,000 also. And last card was Hog Heaven Rookie Hog Steven Jackson, and that was at a 750. So I paid $1 a piece for all those. And of course, like I said, the Chark was $3. But other than that, got a couple one touches and some team bags. But let's get into this. Like I said, this was the last 8 packs that were in the box, so I don't know if the hit has been gone or what. But I kind of looked at the checklist on after the fact, and there's not a whole lot in this set. I mean, you're looking for a Lou Bob, but that's about it. Some high number stuff. Rendon, Gratterall, Smoke, Diaz, Kim, and there's the Lou Bob right off the top. So we'll take that. We'll take that for sure. Miles Straw and Shields. Let's see if there is a I think this is a high number. I think it was from 700 to 725. I don't know, I'll have to dig a little more into that. Smoke again. That guy. Reggie Macklin, rookie. There's a Jordan, award winners rookie. Jeremy Jeffries. Pack's got a little dinged up, it looks like. Tanner Roark. Carl Edwards. Perez. That guy. Jimmy Nelson. We got a Cubs. Let's Play. So that's an insert. DJ Stewart, Freddie Galvis, Wade Jr., and Kimmigan. Training, Kendrick, Kramer, Alex Wood, short print, Sims, that guy, Grossman, Malone, and Ginkel. Kluber, Corey Dickerson, Zobrist, Scope, Eloy, and Lewis Robert. Tim Lopes, Garrett Cole, Holt, and my boy Cepedas. Hopefully he can stay healthy for a year and whatnot. Kanarachek, Stashik, that guy. Are we serious? Tony Perez, Real One autograph on card. Awesome. So we got the hit out of the box. Tony Perez, and the card looks like it's in okay shape compared to some of the other ones. Awesome. So we got the hit of the box. We'll take it. We'll take it for sure. Lou Bob rookie and the hit of the box. Cool. Brian Goodwin, Mendez, Romeo, and that guy. And these Real One autographs are Real One autograph single, 1/93. So it's not bad. One in what, almost 4 boxes, I guess. Perez, that guy, Dyson, Jonathan Diaz. That's gonna be high number short print. Sogard, Hunter, last pack. Not really expecting a whole lot left. Garcia, Cole Hamels, Joe Kelly, that's 7-1, high number, Mabin, and Akiyama. So, not too bad, I don't guess. I mean, we got the Lou Bob rookie, got the Real One autos, got the Eloy and Lou Bob talents to know, got a little ding there on the corner, but award winner Jordan. I got four short prints, 2 of the same guy, but whatever. Lucas Sims, Joe Kelly, and got the Let's Play the Cubs Ernie Banks card. So overall, not bad. I'm happy with it. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great night. Peace out. We'll catch you on the next one.